In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I convert I speak into natural, human language so your content feels authentic and original. I'm starting right here on the home page, and to begin, I'll open a notepad where I have a professional email that needs a serious rewrite. I'll copy a specific prompt I've developed that asks ChatGPT to adopt a warm, direct, and human tone while explicitly stripping away any obvious, repetitive AI phrasing. I'll paste this into the chat box along with the original email and hit enter. As I scroll through the response, you can see the result is much more natural and gets straight to the point without the "I hope this finds you well" fluff. Next, let's look at how this works for my candle brand, Lumi Wax. I'll copy a new prompt designed to make a standard advertisement sound like a genuine post from a real person rather than a faceless brand. I'm pasting the prompt and the original, stiff caption into the message field. Once I send it, ChatGPT provides a punchy, casual version that feels way more authentic for a social feed using a voice that actually connects with my audience. Finally, I want to rewrite a neutral, dry essay about remote work to give it a clear, personal perspective. I'll copy my detailed instructions and the original essay text from my notepad, then paste them back into the chat. ChatGPT takes those academic points and transforms them into a conversational, opinionated piece that truly sounds like it was written by an actual person with real experiences. This workflow ensures that everything I create from emails to essays maintains that essential human touch. If you found this walkthrough helpful for making your AI writing more authentic, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.